These days, actually, how many days that I've updated you guys, but everything is working well. I wanted to, take you guys on the packing, arrangements, everything, but no, I don't want anything that's going to stress me or get me distracted. Okay, and forcing myself to do something that is going to pull me added to my condition. No, so far we have been given a date to fly, and that is going to be by weekend. All thanks to God Almighty. I'm going to show you guys our bags, but before that, though we've not finished packing, we still have a whole lot. 3 kits added to myself. Now, I pray that we don't pay for extra luggage there. I want to do this thing, chin chin. That's maybe we take chin chin and some biscuits. I think it's okay. I'm also going to cook in case the kids are hungry or maybe the food that they give to us they are not comfortable in taking it. And what else? No, there's no other thing for now. Just join us. Let us do the chin chin, and let me also show you guys the bag. These bags are full already, but I'm still going to add more things to it. I still have one more bag inside the room. All right. I just pray that we don't pay for extra luggage. Or hey, God help us. So this one is going to be a hand luggage. Yeah, it's going to be a hand luggage for maybe JD. JD will carry it at the back. Yeah. What else? First, let's go and do our chin chin and continue getting ready.
Nancy, she's the mom of five, she thrives. An African woman with a vibe that's alive. She's loving her life and her job so much, with the world in her hands and a loving touch. Nancy owns the vibe, yeah, she's full of grace, spreading joy like sunshine in every place. She likes peace, no soul, she always says shalom. In her heart of gold, she's built a home. Morning hustle with a smile on her face. Kids in the background, life's a busy race. But Nancy's dancing through the crazy scene. Her heart's a melody like you've never seen. Nancy owns the vibe, yeah, she's full of grace, spreading joy like sunshine in every place. She likes peace, no soul, she always says shalom. In her heart of gold, she's built a home. She's cooking love in the kitchen like fire, living a dream, she's lifting higher. The chaos and calm blend like a song. Her heart's a melody like you've never sung. Late night talks while the moon takes its bow. She's juggling dreams but she knows how. Nancy, the mom of five, doing her best. With faith and laughter she aces the test. Nancy owns the vibe, yeah, she's full of grace, full of grace, spreading joy like sunshine in every place. Every place. She likes peace, no soul, she always says shalom, say shalom. In her heart of gold, she's built a home, built a home. She's cooking love in the kitchen like fire, living a dream, she's lifting higher. Chaos and heartland, life's all her stories through. She's where she belongs. Late night talks while the moon takes its bow. She's juggling dreams but she knows how. Nancy, the mom of five, doing her best. With faith and laughter she aces the test. Nancy owns the vibe, yeah, she's full of grace, spreading joy like sunshine in every place. She likes peace, no soul, she always says shalom. In her heart of gold, she's built a home. Morning hustle with a smile on her face. Kids in the background, life's a busy race. But Nancy's dancing through the crazy scene. Her heart's a melody like you've never seen. Nancy Nancy owns the vibe, yeah, she's full of grace. Spreading joy like sunshine in every place. She likes peace, no soul, she always says shalom. In her heart of gold, she's built a home. Nancy owns the vibe, yeah, she's full of grace. Spreading joy like sunshine in every place.
These children will never cease to amaze me. So, guys, we are done with the chin chin. The next thing now is to get some candy, chocolate that we're going to give to our family and friends. Okay, so come with us. Are you guys ready? You put on your sandals. Where did you get it?
Sure. It's Mama showing me. Mama.
But you're taking something that doesn't belong to you. It's not good. Let me see what it is.
It's for Mama. Yes,
From a cloth.
we should drop it.
Let's go and check if we
Mommy,
see
let's
wine there.
we throw it.
No, go. It's not something much. Just take it back. Don't pick something that doesn't belong to you.
No, it's
So
Mama
we could not get the box because the money that I have is not much. I'm going down there to know if I'll get wine, grape wine. Yeah. Though I've gotten some, but I just want to get 2 or 3 to add up to the ones that I've gotten before.
In it.
Yes, Yain? Yeah, we are getting this wine. This is a grape wine. Mama, baby, don't go there again. So, keep your leg very well.
Mm.
So we are getting 3 of these.
Have
3 of these. Give to Jody. So guys, we are back. Are you sure that my kids will allow this candy to reach Nigeria? Which one do you want? You want the kesef? Which one do you want? No, this one is going to Nigeria. I won't give you this one because I didn't buy it much. Okay, so after this one finish, I won't give you another one. You are shaking my camera. After this one, I'm not going to give you guys another one. This is for our friends in Nigeria. Okay?
You give her 2?
Take.
One.
Take.
Next 5. Me rich.
They have been demanding this thing from me. So, these are the candy that we got. I told you guys I've gotten before. This one is this is some cornstarch. It's not among. Look at this one. Look at this one. This one is warm candy. Yeah. You want the phone? Take. Reduce your voice, please. So, I was even saying that this one did not have straw. Look at it, very beautiful. I just saw the straw now. Oh, this is very good, and the price is not even much. This is very good and very strong too. Yeah. This is good. So this is 20 shekels. It's not much, and I got this wine. Yeah. 3 of them. I already have 2 or 3. Yeah. I got these ones for 13 shekels. I didn't even check the expiring date. Let me check it. The expiring date is 21st March 2027. Okay, it's very good. It's very good. And this one, I've gotten something like this before. How do you guys see this? So I just got 2 in case. Oh, see mosquito on my camera. Oh my god. I did not kill it. See if it's one. So I wish I have like excess money I would have get this thing up to 5 for my siblings. Look at it. I was confused. I didn't know the one to choose, whether to choose white or to choose this milk color. But both are good, sha. I'm going to give one person one. I cannot be wearing the two. Anybody can take it. Anybody, I don't know. But let me just pack it once. But I'm going to take one. Maybe I'll take the white one. Yeah, it's good. So which other thing did I buy? I think it have finished. The major thing is this candy that I got. Then maybe tomorrow I will go back and get the I'll go back and get the box. I need it. So I'll be able to pack these wines. I want to get more wine. Please ignore the noise on the background. I'm going to get more wine. These stockings is for men. They say it's for men. Mana yiria. Samane ika esima no men now. Look at it. It's very good. I love it because it's short. It's short. Yeah, I'm going to cook now. So that is it. I got this one for myself. So I'm going to be ending this video here so I don't make it to be Jelly make balagan. Please go and keep my bag for me. Okay. What is this thing? Oh, put it in the fridge. Mama, come and put this one in the fridge for me. Chagos, take my bag inside, okay? Thank you so much. All right. So guys, I am going to end this video here. Yeah, I'm going to end it. So these are the things that I got: the slippers, the candy, the cup, beautiful. And here we call it yine. Yes, yine. That is what they call it here. So this is grape wine. This is that particular wine that they use in giving Holy Communion. Okay. When we get home, we have here a wine now, then the stocks for myself. Right. If you watched up to this point, thank you so much. I appreciate you. All right. Let me not make it to be very long. We still have more things to film. And yeah, once I get the box, I'm going to start packing. But our last packing is going to be on 2 days time. Yeah, because our flight is by weekend. Okay, so yeah, let's call it a day. See you guys on our next vlog. Bye. 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 I love you.